Hi, I'm Dr. Atul Kathed. I'm practicing dermatologist at Indore in India, which is central part of India. I have heard about this MAFT-GUN about a couple of years ago and met Dr. Lin last year in ICAD. Was really impressed with his work, so I decided to take up this course. And this has really helped me in learning all about FAT, the concept, the instrument, the procedures, what all I can achieve, what are the limitations, what can be the complications. It has been a good learning experience. I look forward to do the MAFT thing in my own clinic and add some value to my clinic and maybe do a better job on my patient. So my patients in a better way. Thank you.